back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create and experiment. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. Today I am excited and I am going to be experimenting today. Let's get right to the video. I'm wanting to dye my hair for like the longest time. I've included it in my vision board video. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to leave a card above and also a link in the description box so that you could check it out. And I've been looking for ways to actually dye my hair without damage and without all of those stress or without commitment, in fact, especially because let me just explain it this way. I'm going to leave this tweet right here. Exactly, I have parents' house to go back to. So for African children how to dye their hair without problem, I've got a solution for you, and this is it right here. So I came across this brand called CurlFit, and disclaimer right here, disclaimer, this packaging is a very old packaging. I've been following this brand for a very long time and I absolutely love how they've grown, and this video is not sponsored. I actually love how they've grown. I love their product pictures. I really love the brand a lot, and I especially love what they're doing, which is this. I am going to show you right now, our solution. So I came across the brand and I ordered this since last year. Their packaging has changed a lot of times since I ordered this and I've not used it. So we're just going to go through their website right now so that you see what the packaging looks like currently and you see what they have currently. So when you get to the site, you see the colors. They say take color quiz. You see buy colors. There is different colors. There is deviant, there is I can explain gold, there is famous, which is deep purple, and all other colors like that. You have to see like all other colors. Then something I like about this site is this particular quote that is here. It says African parent friendly hair colors are wash off whenever you want it. Seriously, like really, what else do you want? Then zero hair damage, which is very important, and works on all hair textures. That is very important too. So whether your hair is relaxed or you have natural hair or even on your wigs, you could actually use this dye on anything here. So we're just going to unbox this and see what is inside. The thank you card. This I got this in the color deviant. This is the 15ml bottle. Then for how to use, it says use a dime-sized amount of gel on damp hair to ensure application. Rub through hair in sections to achieve desired style. Hair dry or blow dry. Can be used on coily hair extensions. Then just leaves out the ingredients, the different ingredients that is inside of it. So we're just going to try this out. I already washed my hair some days ago. I'm just going to spritz some water on my hair just for it to just be like a little bit wet. I already washed my hair some days ago. I already deep conditioned and I had leave-in in my hair and oil in my hair. So I'm just going to spritz some water on my hair now. So the reason why I still left my hair in twists was because I didn't want it to shrink. So after I had my deep condition and conditioning my hair, so I just left my hair in twists. So I'm just going to be using out all the twists now so that I can apply the hair gel. So I already loosened this part, so I'm just going to apply it. So this is what the hair gel looks like. Wow, guys, just little goes like a lot. See, just very little that I applied on my hands. Wow, guys. So I'm going for like an ombre look. So what I just want to do was just to test out and see what it looks like, and I'm really liking it. So I'm just going to get my hair into a high puff. I've done a video earlier on how to do a high puff. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box if you do not know how to do that. It explains how to do that. So I'm just going to do this really quick. So I'm just going to do the washing test and see if it is very true that it washes off easily. So guys, I super love how this turned out. Like, it turned out really good. Like, somebody dyed their hair wine. I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to show off. So we really try out a lot more colors like gold, blue, purple, very vibrant colors. In fact, I'm really to try them out. If you like this video and you want me to try out more colors, let me know in the comment section what colors you think I should try out. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.